风气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美嘉。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。天氣狀況如果開始下雨，就會覺得好悶，
心情不好，
對，心情不好。不過我們還是要教這種狀況啊，如果發生了，要怎麼說？雨天，
落雨天，
落雨天 That means a rainy day. Let's create some lines here, including 下雨天，天雨路滑，走路要小心。When it's raining, the roads are slippery, so be careful.
落雨天，
落雨天，
路風滑滑，
路風滑滑，
行路，
行路，
愛卡西尼地位，
愛卡西尼掉位，就是要小心一點。西尼就是小心 ，that means be careful, especially when it's slippery， 滑滑的叫做
滑滑，
滑滑。OK， 喜歡這種疊字呢。那氣象報告說這兩天都是下雨天。The weather report says it's going to be rainy for the next 2 days.
氣象報告講，
氣象報告講，
廿兩日，
廿兩日。
全黑落雨天，
全黑落雨天，下雨天，全都是下雨天了。Unfortunately, it's going to be raining all the way, right? Okay, so today we're talking about rainy day and a lot of useful phrases that are brought up. Plus, when it's a rainy day, we should really be more careful, and whether or not to bring an umbrella or a raincoat and rain gear is so important, right? So let's review some of the phrases that are useful that we brought up, including slippery, 也就是滑，
滑滑，
滑滑。Okay, and then be careful, 要小心。
西尼，
西尼。And finally, we're talking about rainy day, 雨天。
落雨天，
落雨天。And even though we don't like rainy days, who does? But learning more about it and how to deal with it in Hakka is important. So there you have it.
什麼大家？
安子 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.